In our today's lesson, we are going to look at how to find the equation of a line parallel to a given line. So let's take an example. Let's take our equation to be y equal to 2x plus 1, which is parallel to a given point P, that is 1, 5. Now, when we are finding equation of a line, we need to use equation formula. So we are choosing slope equation, which is y equal to ms plus b. Now, when it said a line is parallel to a given line, it means the gradients are equal. So m is the same. So the gradient of that given line is the same as the gradient of that parallel line. So we are going to substitute m to replace the 2 to replace the m. Then we'll maintain y and b, y, x, and b. Now I want to find b, so you have to substitute the point into the formula, which is y is 5 and x is 1. So we calculate to get a b. So our b will become 3. Alright, so as I've gotten b, I'm going to substitute b back into the equation here. So, and maintain the gradient. The gradient is already 2 from the equation. To get y equal to 2x plus 3. And this gives you the parallel line. Alright. Another question. So y equal to 3x minus 4. That is the equation. And it is parallel to this given point, which is 6 and 4. So we are looking at the equation that is parallel to this given already equation there. Use a slope equation formula and substitute gradient by 3 because the gradients are the same when you talk of parallel lines. So for you to get a b, you need to substitute the point in the slope equation like this. And our b will be equal to negative 14. So we substitute b equal to negative 14 and slope to be thrown into the slope equation. And this gives us the equation of the line parallel to that given line. So the slope are equal, okay? So when it's an equation of a line parallel to a given line, the slope, that the gradients are equal. So our last one. This one, we are going to use the general formula for finding equation of a line to substitute our point inside. You still get the same result. So this is our general formula for finding equation of a line. So our gradient is still 3 over 2. And our point is 4, negative 3. So what we have to do is have to substitute the gradient and the points into the slope equation of a line. And this will give us the general form of the equation of a line parallel to that given line with a coordinate p negative 3. So we do the calculation by simplifying. So the one you have there is a y minus negative 3 equals to 3 over 2 into bracket x minus 4 is the general equation. So if we want to, so this is the general equation. So if we want to further solve to get a slope equation, which means the same results, okay, so we can leave your answer in the general equation or the slope equation. So we further work to get our slope equation, which is still the same as the general equation, because this is a general equation that we simplify to get a slope equation, and that is it. So this is the slope equation, and they are still all of them are the same, and they are parallel to the given line with the same gradient. So parallel have the same